Do you have unsightly cracks, nail holes, or peeling walls? Don't worry, because we've found the ultimate solution to fix your drywall like a pro. The Drywall Repair Kit is a game changer for anyone looking to restore their walls quickly and effortlessly. It's beginner-friendly, and the results are flawless. This repair kit includes everything you need: two 100G wall mending agents, nozzle extenders, scrapers, and sandpaper. Application is simple. Just squeeze, smooth with the included scraper, and sand for a seamless finish. The formula is free of harmful chemicals like formaldehyde, making it safe for your home and family. Plus, it's streak-free, waterproof, and highly durable. Whether you're tackling drywall cracks, nail holes, or wall stains, this repair kit handles it all, leaving your walls looking brand new. It's perfect for DIYers who want fast, professional-looking results without hiring a contractor. Ready to transform your walls? Click the link below to grab this drywall repair kit on Amazon and bring your walls back to life. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video for more amazing product reviews. Your support helps us deliver the best content.